Theta value equivalent to $1.82 a coin. The present exchange cost range $1.580 $1.279. The earlier day close $1.609. The change was plus 0.473 plus 4.07%. Converse rate ICE to Theta. Theta gauge for May 2024. To start with, cost at $127. Exorbitant cost $157, while low cost $127. The normal for the month $1.40. Theta cost figure toward the month's end $1.47. Change for May 15 7%. Theta cost expectation for June 2024. First and foremost, cost at $147. Exorbitant cost $183, while low cost $147. The normal for the month $1.62. Theta cost figure toward the month's end $0.71. Change for June 16 3%. Theta figure for July 2024. Initially cost at $171. Excessive cost $204, while low cost $171. The normal for the month $0.84. Theta cost gauge toward the month's end $0.91. Change for July 11 7%. Theta cost expectation for August 2024. In the first place, cost at $191. Exorbitant cost $214, while low cost $186. The normal for the month $0.98. Theta cost conjecture toward the month's end $2 and a change for August 4 7%. Theta conjecture for September 2024. In the first place, cost at $2,000. Exorbitant cost $223, while low cost $193. The normal for the month $2.6. Theta cost estimate toward the month's end $2.28. Change for September 40%. Theta cost expectation for October 2024. At the outset, cost at $2.8. Excessive cost $239, while low cost $207. The normal for the month $2.19. Theta cost figure toward the month's end $2.23. Change for October 7.2%. Theta figure for November 2024. In the first place, cost at $223. Exorbitant cost $246, while low cost $214. The normal for the month $2.28. Theta cost estimate toward the month's end $2.30. Change for November 3.1%. Theta cost expectation for December 2024. At the outset, cost at $230. Excessive cost $256, while low cost $222. The normal for the month $237. Theta cost figure toward the month's end $239. Change for December 3.9%. Theta figure for January 2025. Before all else, cost at $239. Excessive cost $259, while low cost $225. The normal for the month $241. Theta cost figure toward the month's end $242. Change for January 3%. Theta cost expectation for February 2025. Initially cost at $242. Exorbitant cost $263, while low cost $229. The normal for the month $245. Theta cost figure toward the month's end $246. Change for February 7%. Theta figure for WARC 2025. Before all else, cost at $246. Excessive cost $288, while low cost $246. The normal for the month $262. Theta cost estimate toward the month's end $269. Change for spring 3%. Theta cost expectation for April 2025. At the outset, cost at $269. Excessive cost $334, while low cost $269. The normal for the month $296. Theta cost figure toward the month's end $312. Change for April 16%. Theta figure for May 2025. In the first place, cost at $312. Exorbitant cost $347, while low cost $301. The normal for the month $321. Theta cost estimate toward the month's end $314. Change for May 38%. Theta cost expectation for June 2025. Before all else, cost at $324. Excessive cost $361, while low cost $313. The normal for the month $334. Theta cost figure toward the month's end $337. Change for June 40%. Theta figure for July 2025. Initially cost at $337. Excessive cost $392, while low cost $337. The normal for the month $358. Theta cost gauge toward the month's end $366. Change for July 6%. Theta cost expectation for August 2025. Before all else, cost at $366. Excessive cost $366, while low cost $315. The normal for the month $347. Theta cost figure toward the month's end $3.39, change for August 7.4%. Theta gauge for September 2025, before all else cost at $3.39. Excessive cost $3.39, while low cost $2.72. The normal for the month $3.11. Theta cost figure toward the month's end $2.93, change for September 13.6%. Theta cost expectation for October 2025. Initially cost at $2.93. Exorbitant cost $3.51, while low cost $2.93. The normal for the month $3.16. Theta cost conjecture toward the month's end $3.28, change for October 11.9%. Theta conjecture for November 2025. At the outset cost at $3.18. Excessive cost $3.18, while low cost $2.72. The normal for the month $3.05. Theta cost conjecture toward the month's end $2.92, change for November 11%. Theta cost expectation for December 2025. In the first place cost at $2.92. Exorbitant cost $2.92, while low cost $2.28. The normal for the month $2.64. Theta cost estimate toward the month's end $0.45, change for December 16.1%. Theta estimate for January 2026. To start with cost at $2.45. Exorbitant cost $2.45, while low cost $1.92. The normal for the month $2.22. Theta cost conjecture toward the month's end $2.26, change for January 15.9%. Theta cost expectation for February 2026. Initially cost at $2.06. Excessive cost $2.56, while low cost $2.06. The normal for the month $2.27. Theta cost gauge toward the month's end $2.39, change for February 16%. Theta gauge for Walk 2026. In the first place cost at $2.39. Exorbitant cost $2.96, while low cost $2.39. The normal for the month $2.63. Theta cost estimate toward the month's end $2.77, change for spring 15.9%. Theta cost expectation for April 2026. To start with cost at $2.77. Exorbitant cost $2.77, while low cost $2.17. The normal for the month $2.51. Theta cost gauge toward the month's end $2.33, change for April 15.9%. Theta figure for May 2026. In the first place cost at $2.33. Exorbitant cost $2.33, while low cost $1.82. The normal for the month $2.11. Theta cost figure toward the month's end $0.96, change for May 15.9%. Theta cost expectation for June 2026. Before all else cost at $196. Excessive cost $196, while low cost $170. The normal for the month $186. Theta cost figure toward the month's end $0.83, change for June 6.6%.